Hey there, Stephen here, and welcome back to a Fireworks Display 2015. So we're going to be watching this from our window, as you can probably see. And yeah, we're going to be recording it. We're also going to be joined by Keith. Say hi, Keith.
Hello, yes, you may remember me from last year, the one that said, "Oh, I wish I still had my iPhone, Galaxy Ace," and then broke a chair. Unfortunately, he's sitting on that exact same chair. My chairs are broken.
Yeah, so...
But our room has changed such a lot ever since.
Yep. So we'll be waiting until the first firework goes off, and then we will keep you updated. So we're going to skip ahead in the video to obviously let you know that it started. So if you don't hear our voice and then it says, "Oh, there's the second firework," that's us. Okay, see you then. Bye bye. See you in the see you in a minute. And here we go. I can't see that up there.
Done it.
There we go. They've started now. Oh, there's another big one. So if you can't see it that good because the camera quality is quite rubbish. Oh, and there's another big one.
It's good. By the way, this camera is 5 megapixel, but I'm not too sure. I'm the DJ for tonight.
No, literally. Oh.
Big loud ones.
Ooh, ah. Hey. Ooh, I love fireworks. Don't you?
Uh-oh, sound system's flat.
Oh. Oh. It will be good for about half an hour. Oh, and here we go.
What, is this actually a half an hour display?
Yeah.
Sick.
Should be anyway. Let's just keep on watching. Oh, I like the glowing ones. Oh, no. I like the green ones and the red ones as well. And the purple ones. Oh, I like how they go into little ones though. Oh, and there's another big one. Now go from the short ones to the second ones to the largest of them all. Oh. They ones were quite loud. They ones are quite loud. Ah, shiny! Whoa!
What? Sorry, guys.
Oh, it's just that my brother's phone going off. I'm going to be taking a couple of photos. Oh, I'll show another big one. I'm just taking pictures. Ooh. Whoa! 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 They are quite big. Oh, there's another one. Ah. Whoa! They're really good ones, they are.
Is it the same squeaky voice
Whoa!
when I saw you? Or what?
Whoa! Very, very nice. Woo. Oh! Whoa! I'll just let you watch it. Like literally.
I'll do the commentating things. Right,
Oh.
let me take over whilst you're writing a message. Oh my goodness, right. That's yep. I swear these ones are better than last year.
Done.
Agreed? They're better than
Yep.
last year.
They're not quite loud ones.
No, they're the quiet ones. Oh, they're loud.
I like the squeaky
They're
ones.
ready for this, guys.
They
This is
won't
gonna be
go off,
magical.
only the ones that go red go off. Whoa! Vibrate down windows still here. Up, and again, and again. Oh! 3 of them, 4 of them, 5 of them. Whoa! Oh, 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 whoa!
Whoa.
Whoa! Gosh, that was really good. Oh, they ones are not as loud.
Oh, it's surprising to say they paid thousands for these.
There is a burning firework in our road as well.
Yes, it's a bit weird. I'm keeping my eye on that.
I'm just keeping an eye for the ones that go in the air. Oh. Whoa.
Wait for the massive one. That's not one.
They're doing ones that go off. Like it that way. They're kind of good, like last year's. Oh, that's another big one. Oh, whoa!
That was the big one.
That was quite
That was
a
the
big
daddy.
one.
Yep. Big daddy.
Oh, there's another big one. Oh!
Wasn't as big as I thought. Oh.
Whoa!
That's a nice one, that is.
Yeah, because they go into millions of pieces. Oh, there's a glowing thing going down.
Oh my god, they're spinning ones. Yes.
Whoa. I like the spinning ones.
So do I.
So if you can't see it from far back.
The only problem is if they go off too quick, they're rubbish.
Ooh. Whoa.
Ah, there's a second. No, there's 3 displays going on. No, 4. There are everywhere.
Yeah.
Sounds like a little,
Oh,
but it's actually quite a lot.
oh. Whoa. Oh.
Yeah, that was Delabelle's loud. That's even louder than this.
Oh. No, there's no other ones going off. Only the little ones. Little ones.
That's a bit loud.
I might just be quiet until it ends. That'd be a good idea.
Wow. Shit. I can't get up.
Wow. Keith's collapsed on the ground.
Get it.
My mum's joining us now.
No.
She's not.
I'm not joining them.
Okay.
Happy
bye.
days. Uh-oh.
Oh. Whoa.
Oh, by the way, please subscribe to my mate Scott's channel. Stephen will tell you his channel shortly.
Yeah, I will put our channels in the description below. So my channel, his channel, my brother's
Channels, actually.
and Scott McVeigh's channel.
I have 2 channels, for God's sake.
I know. Okay.
One's a gaming account, one's the other.
I know where they got them from.
Awesome.
They got them from one stop up the road. Isn't that a big one?
Some of them, yeah.
Oh. Whoa. I like how they go into different colours.
Still a live one up there as well. Oh, no, it's gone.
Ah! They're telling you that now they're doing a second display.
And the time, guys, is exactly 7:42 on the... on the 7th of November. It's a great Saturday.
If you stand over there, there is a burning thing in the middle of the road.
Yeah, you can see it.
It was badder than that. You can see a
What's
glowing
it
thing
like?
in the road.
So can you see it?
Near that
Behind the,
car.
robot thing.
Is it? Oh.
What?
We got mistaken by a puddle.
Oh, it's a puddle as well. Oh my god.
Oh, Keith, there's a little glowing thing in the sky.
Oh, that looks like quite a
Make sure you put those curtains back where they are.
We will.
I know where they go. Oh, car's ruining our display now.
Don't ruin it. It'll only show at the
Our
bottom.
road's got more popular by the minute.
It will only show where near the stop button is.
How many megas is it now?
There's 20 megas so far.
20?
Mm,
Oh, my SD card's going to be big. Not.
11%.
Yeah, I upgraded my phone to an Ace, a Young 2, a Blackberry, and a Young.
Hopefully that isn't a Chinese candle.
Which you will
sound.
see on my YouTube channel.
That looks like a Chinese candle.
Oh, it is a Chinese lantern.
We're not allowed to do that.
Oh, that's what that glowing thing
Ah!
is. Someone's got
Ugh,
seconds.
stenchy. I'm gonna check on my YouTube channel quickly, just in case how long it was, because I don't know if they finished.
I don't want to miss Doctor Who tonight at 8, but I don't
Oh
think
yeah,
anyone
Doctor
does.
Who's on as well.
Mr.
then.
Capaldi in it, you know, good old Capaldi. Good old days. It's longer than last year's. Just for a record, I'm not sitting on a chair, I'm sitting on a storage cube.
Yeah.
At least I won't fall right through that thing.
I think they have stopped.
I don't think
I
so.
think they have.
So just wait a few minutes, because it might not be.
We will be a couple of seconds. See you then.
Well, it did.
Okay then, so we've waited around for about 10 minutes now, and there has been no sign of a firework. But anyways, this will be the end of this video. I thank you all very much for watching.
Oh no, your Ace has stopped something.
And as
You see Minnie?
always- Oh,
What?
okay.
There's always something that's got to go wrong.
And I
with
will
the phone.
always keep you updated with this next year. Yeah, you know what I mean. Next year, just in case there will be any fireworks displays head in 2016. And yeah, so that will be the end of this video. as always, I will put a description down below saying our channels, as always. Yeah, so
Oh, Stephen, I forgot to mention.
thank
Right.
you very much for watching, and
Sorry,
let my
stop.
brother talk.
So guys, right? As Stephen was saying earlier, please subscribe to my channel, his channel. Now my channels, right? As they stand. Oh, it's alright.
Oh,
I'll get a
wow.
light on. I'll get a light.
Yeah, get the light.
Get the light on. Oh,
Get
yeah.
the light.
So
There we go. Ooh.
oh, my eyes hurt. Right. So as I'm gonna say, subscribe to my channel. One of them's Keep Better for 325. One of them's KevDev 317. I don't know what they come under. I could give you the email addresses, but just to say, I am making a huge comeback by Christmas with my YouTube videos. I have been a DJ tonight. How dare you take over my job? This has been recorded on my Ace. Now, just for the saying, it is my highest megapixel camera. So I'll keep you updated with everything, and I'll see you later. Bye.
Bye.
Literally.